Hi, I am going to be going over a lesson plan that Galit and I put together for a 12th grade U.S. government class. The lesson is tobacco legislation and litigation. I'm not going to go into what all the text says that we plugged in here, but I'm just going to kind of show how we plugged things in and where we plugged things in and how it's making sense to us because these are the things that I struggled with. So the essential literacy focus, when we talked to our 3SB veteran, she said to pull that straight from the standard and just kind of wordsmith a little bit so it's reworded, but essentially says the same thing. Related skills, you can actually leave that blank, but this is something that we are going to be doing, and it was listed in the lesson itself, so we went ahead and left that. The content focus is going to be taken straight from the history social science content standard. So that's matched there, and that's how we were explained to do that. And then for learning objectives, we put in bold the letters that are also going to match with our language function to show how we're going to be doing that, how those two are going to be connecting. For each objective, we have an assessment, whether informal or formal. Two of these here are going to have the informal assessment, and we've also added in there how the teacher is going to be checking for understanding and what the teacher is going to be doing. So teacher will walk around, teacher will give verbal feedback. And then the last one, we have a formal assessment there where they're going to have some work they need to do studying court cases and writing that information down and being graded on that by a rubric. That's got to be put in there. So language function I talked about earlier, where you chose to explain and describe. The additional language demands, we chose some vocabulary, discourse, how they're going to be showing up. They're going to be interpreting the court cases and writing that information down. The resources and materials are listed there. We have a couple videos that we're going to include and a couple handouts that they're going to need to fill out. It's student heavy. It's not a lot filled in there for them. The student prior knowledge, transition, purpose, and hook. I feel like, those are where you can really personalize the lesson and get them excited. Then there's focused instruction and guided practice. This is how we're going to actually move through the lesson. So then there's differentiation and scaffolds for that section. And then it's going to go back to more focused instruction and modeling and another section for instruction and practice, how we're going to differentiate and scaffold for that. And then again, so we're working in chunks, which I really liked about Hammond and Schmoker, that they say to work in chunks. So we put the lesson plan in order of how we're going to be going through the lesson. So then we are going to, with closure, just kind of review the activity, review our central focus, and introduce the next lesson. So this seems to make a lot more sense to me now that we've gone through it with a veteran SBer and with a partner. So hopefully it makes sense to all of you. Have a good one.